Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. It's Sophie. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I created this really smoky berry cranberry toned look for you guys. Today I'm using this palette right here from the Morphe x Jaclyn Hill Vault collection. This palette right here is called Bling Boss, and this is definitely the palette that I gravitated towards the most. This is my favorite palette in the collection. This is why I decided to pick this one in particular up first. I'm going to be posting a tutorial using all 4 palettes, but this is the one that you're going to be seeing first, and I absolutely am obsessed with all of the tones and all of the shades in this palette. You're about to see me use the palette and I'll give my first impression as well. But on our channel, we're going to be giving away the entire collection, so if you want to enter that giveaway, make sure that you like this video, make sure that you're subscribed, make sure you turn your post notifications on, and comment done down below to be automatically entered for the giveaway. So the first thing I did was prime my eyelids with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and then for my brow bone highlight, I went ahead and used a shade that I had that wasn't in the palette. This is Makeup Forever Starlit Powder number 13. And then I'm going to be going right into the palette, and I'm going to be picking up this shade here called Hush Hush. And this is a kind of like a cool toned rose shade, and I just went in pretty heavily. And the color payoff for this shade wasn't the best, but I would say if you feel like an eyeshadow isn't giving you the best color payoff, just don't dust off the excess on your brush. Just go in with the eyeshadow and you'll be good to go. It wasn't really that big of a deal for me. I would definitely still buy this palette, especially for the price. And then I went into the red shade in the palette, and I was a little concerned because I wanted to go in with the purple shades as well, so I didn't know how red and purples would go together, but they actually all worked together beautifully. So I just put that eyeshadow in my crease, and then I'm going back into Hush Hush to help me diffuse that line. Next, I'm going into this shade here called Rockstar, and I'm going in with another angled brush, and I'm just going to be adding even more depth to the crease. And this eyeshadow is going to require a lot of blending. I did a lot of back and forth with a lot of different brushes to help me get a nice blended look. So the first thing I did was pick up this fluffy brush and some more of that red eyeshadow. I definitely always go in with lighter colors to help me blend out darker colors, and then I slowly go in more and more with that dark eyeshadow just to make it easier to keep that darkness low. Here I picked up this pencil brush and some of that dark eyeshadow, and I'm literally going in left and right motions directly over top of that line to help me get a nice gradient effect. Next, I picked up my Bobbi Brown concealer blending brush and some more of my Tarte Shape Tape, and I just started to carve my lid. And a good step for this is to start in the center of your lid and then work your way to the outer and inner corners. And for me, I did go above my natural crease because I want to have some more lid space when I have my eye open. Then I went into this beautiful shimmery purple shade, and I absolutely am obsessed with this eyeshadow. Every time I look at this clip, I realize that I should have just left it bare on the lid, but nonetheless, I went in with that red eyeshadow and I just started to buff that on the outer corner. And I really wanted to add some depth to that outer corner and make this a very nice smoky look. So then I picked up the dark purple shade, and I'm just buffing that into that red shade and just making sure that everything's nice and blended. And then I felt like I wanted to make it even more smoky, so I picked up a liner brush, and I just started to add some more of that purple eyeshadow onto my top lash line to kind of give a smoky liner effect. For lashes, I'm putting on my Shop Sophie Belle lashes in the style Barbados. These lashes are sold out right now, but they will be restocked very soon. I just put my Mr. Right eyeliner by The Balm in my waterline. And then I went in with Hush Hush on the lower lash line. And then the next shade that I picked up was the red shade from the palette. And I'm just applying that onto my lower lash line as well. And then going back into Hush Hush to help me diffuse that red. And then with a very precise brush, I picked up some of that dark purple eyeshadow. And I'm trying to get that as close to my waterline as possible. And then I went in with my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara for my lower lashes. And then I'm just adding some more of my Makeup Forever Starlit Powder number 13 to my inner tear duct and to my brow bone. Then I grabbed my brow gel and I ran it through some bar soap, and I'm just putting that through my brows. And this is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching today's tutorial. Don't forget to enter our giveaway if you want to win the entire collection. All you have to do is be subscribed to our channel, like this video, turn your post notifications on, and comment done down below, and you are entered. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!